Economics has very interesting cycles. In all books of economics, you will learn about globalization. But in the real economy nowadays, deglobalization is happening. Now you are surprised. What is this? All economic theory says that globalization is going to help everyone. The trade, as per the Ricardo's theory of comparative advantage, proves that trade is beneficial. Then why some of the countries are restricting trade, and why overall, if you see the global picture, it seems like there is decoupling, there is a regional cooperation, there is self-reliance. As per the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, this is the number: global foreign direct investment decreased by 2%, and global trade too has been on slow path, with the value of world merchandise trading declining by 5% in 23. FDI declined to 1.3 trillion from 1.4 trillion earlier. Document mentions about changing global trade dynamics. For US in 23, Mexico became the number one goods and trade partner, surpassing China and Canada, and Vietnam's trade with China and US has also increased. European economies are shifting their energy import from Russia to Norway and to the US. European Union's pipeline gas imports from Russia declined. I'm not reading the numbers because the important here is the story. Every number you cannot write in the exam and it will not come in any objective question. Therefore, these shifts reflect the emergence of a new practice in international trade, such as decoupling, de-risking, reshoring, nearshoring, friend sharing, and growing narrative of deglobalization. There is an argument that while the growth of the trade as a percentage of GDP has stalled since the global financial crisis of 2008, the slowdown of the global trade seems a natural development following its earlier fast growth. The deglobalization trends are highly heterogeneous across countries. One side, US and China are gradually decreasing their reliance on global markets. This does not seem true for the rest of the world. This chart shows merchandise trade declined here in 23, though the forecast says that it will grow further. There are multiple reasons to all this. There are some geopolitical reasons, and there are some infrastructural issues like disruptions on two of the world leading shipping routes, Panama Canal and Suez Canal. Panama Canal is presently operating at the partial capacity due to the freshwater shortage. Suez Canal, which handles about 12% of the global trade and about 1/3 of the container shipping between Asia and Europe, the cost is added here. It is taking about 10 days extra due to the diversion at Red Sea and around the Cape of Good Hope. The learning as a student of economics is that there are multiple things and time changes. The priority for a country, for an economy also changes. If this video is useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. We are here to make your job preparation 50% faster.